To transfer XRP from Binance to a Phantom wallet, start by opening the Binance app and selecting the wallet option at the bottom of the screen. Then, switch to the account where your XRP is currently held. This could be the support account or the funding account, depending on where you have stored your XRP. Once you have selected the correct account, locate the XRP in your account using the search icon if necessary. Tap on the XRP to access the next screen, where you will find a withdrawal button at the bottom. Click on this to proceed. A pop-up window will appear, and from here, select the crypto network option. In this case, the network associated with your Phantom wallet, which may be Ethereum. Next, you will need to enter the wallet address from your Phantom wallet. To do this, open your Phantom wallet, click on the Receive button, and select the network you want to use. Choose the address at the bottom of the screen, and it will be copied to the clipboard. Return to the Binance app, and paste the address into the required field. The network should be automatically selected, but if not, ensure you choose the same network as your Phantom wallet. If a tag is provided, you will also need to paste this into the relevant field. Finally, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and click on the Withdrawal button. It is essential to test the transfer process by sending a small amount of XRP first, to ensure you are using the correct address. Once you have confirmed that the small amount has been received in your Phantom wallet, you can proceed to transfer the full amount. This process should be straightforward, but it is crucial to double-check all details to avoid any errors.